Hey everyone, today I want to do a follow-up on this Spigen U100 Universal Metal Kickstand. This thing right here. As I said in my previous video, that a lot of us who like these clear cases or these clear bumper cases, but a lot of them don't have a kickstand, and so when it comes time to watching like your favorite videos on like YouTube or Netflix, you have to prop it up against something. These are where these kickstands come in real handy. And like I said before, one of my favorite cases so far is like this Samsung OEM or this official Samsung Galaxy rugged case that has the kickstand, and also this Spigen Ultra Hybrid S that comes with the kickstand included. So now you can order these things right here and put them on to your favorite cases. So we're going to look at two more of these, the two other colors that I was talking about in the previous review. So what I have here is two more of the colors that they have online. As you can see here, I have rose gold and metal. The metal one should or will look like this right here with the Spigen Ultra Hybrid S. And so the metal one, I'm going to pair the metal one up with this GHOSTEK, another one of my favorite bumper cases right here, the GHOSTEK um, Cloak 3. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, right here. See, GHOSTEK Cloak. And then the X Doria right here that has this color shift on the sides of the with the aluminum bumpers. I'm going to match it up with rose gold right here, and I will actually install it for you guys since I didn't do it on the last one. So let's do this. Okay, so here we have the rose gold, and like I said, these are on Amazon for $9.99, and depending on what day you get it, it'll either be free same day or free 1 day delivery, or just regular Prime delivery. So all we do is open up this little plastic envelope. It also comes with an extra sticker just in case you want to take it off the old case and put it on another case. And it has this protective plastic that protects the metal from getting scratched during shipping. And here it is. This is the rose gold. As you can see, it looks a little, at least in my light, a little pinkish. And then, so here's the rose gold. Let's open up the metal color. Yeah, the rose gold, when I saw it, it kind of did look like it'll match with my X Doria color shift case. So same thing, you get, an extra sticker just in case you want to put it on another case. And whoops, I want to take that off yet. I want to take this off first so you guys can see the color. And there it is. Here's metal. So let's zoom in on there. So here we have metal, and it's with the Spigen branding right there. And here is the rose gold right here. Okay, let's zoom back out. And so just like what I did last time, I'm going to use my Spigen this one right here that already came with the kickstand that was built into it, this Ultra Hybrid S, as my guide to help me out with the installation. So I know exactly where to put this, because you don't want to put this too low, because then the kickstand function will not work as well. And you don't want to put it too high, because these are metal. And if you want to use wireless charging, and if you put it right in the middle, it'll interfere with wireless charging, is what I'm thinking, because it's metal. But if you have it just a little bit off to the side like this, it won't interfere with the wireless charging, like as I showed you in the last video. So here's the rose gold, because we're gonna match the rose gold, and I think it'll match perfectly. See, with this color shift on this Doria rugged bumper case. So first things first, I'm gonna wipe down the back of the case where I'm gonna install it. Make sure there's no like dirt or fingerprint oils or whatever on this real quick. And that should be good. Okay, so I'm gonna line it up right here. And then we're gonna take this paper on this, the back end. And now we're ready to install. So like I said on the previous video, I want it so that the volume buttons right here are going to be so it's propped up that way. And I have this already, the Spigen, to where, see, it's propped up where the volume buttons are going to be at right here. So that's what I'm going to do with the Doria. So here we go. Let's see. Make sure. It's a little off, so I gotta like. And then press on it a little bit firmly. I think that's it. Yeah, it's that easy. It looks a little bit crooked, but that's okay. I can redo it again. So, and there it goes. It's going to be propping up where these volume buttons are right here. So the volume buttons won't be down when I have it propped up. So that way, you know, if I have to lower the volume or raise the volume while I'm watching a video, I can do that. And so there it goes right there for the rose gold. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. The same thing for the metal colored one. So there we are. So I have the metal right here, see, and it matches exactly with the this silver metal colored on this GHOSTEK bumper case. And I think the rose gold right here matches with the color shift on this Doria, as you can see. So there we are. We have the metal. And then here is the what they call black. But it's actually, it looks more gunmetal than black. Because see my watch, that's black. So there we have that. And then of course here is the original Spigen Ultra Hybrid S that already comes with the built-in kickstand. And as like I said before, because this thing is built in, it's more flushed from the back, whereas this one, it will stick out just a little bit, as you can see, but not too much. And actually, this extra like bumper right here where it sticks out will protect the back of the case from, picking up scratches when you lay it flat. So that's the plus side of this thing being a little bit thicker on the back. So there we have it. There's this is metal. This is the rose gold. And this is the black one, although like I said, it looks more gunmetal than black because my wristwatch is black. You can get it on Amazon for $9.99 with Prime shipping. And like I said, depending on the day that you get them, you'll either get it for same day or free 1 day or free, 2 day delivery with Prime. And if you put it this way and not in the middle, it'll still be wireless compatible, provided that your wireless charger has more than one coil. And so far, at least with mine, the Seneo wireless charger that I have, fast wireless charger, that's like a kickstand or a stand-up charger, like this, that has like, more than one coil. This one I think has 2 or 3 coils, so it might have like a coil here, then in the middle, and then one on the bottom. So it works for different types of cases. It'll hit more surface area to wirelessly charge. So at least with the Seneo right here, or maybe for any kickstand wireless charger that has a more than one coil, it will work. So that is it. If this video has helped you out in any way, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, and have a great day. Take care, everybody.